Soikat Paik. I'm building a web building platform, Flexikit. Well, if we consider the Indian market, there are around more than 60% sell through major e-commerce platform, major two e-commerce platform uh, about the online sense. But if we consider the businesses, if they want, because they are using more and more analytics and technology to retain the customer and to do more sales. But if we consider the same technology for a businesses, normal businesses, it will be very costly for them. So that's why they use some kind of web building technology. But if we consider the web building technology, if they are on to use these services, they have to use some kind of plugin based system. But plugin based system are some kind of arrangement to use these services. So they do not provide that much of flexibility and scalability. So that's why nowadays the businesses are moving towards the headless CMS technology. But if we consider the current headless CMS technology, they do not provide the template development. There are no graphical interface to edit the web content. So I have developed a CMS independent technology for template development. So it is well suited for the headless CMS based website development. And this is CMS independent, so we can use any headless CMS technology. It could be Shopify or it could be Magento CMS based technology. And it is more flexible. It is very identical to custom development. And there is another chance that we can build a customized component. So if we build a customized component, we can compile them for React or Vue, which are the most prominent web development technologies nowadays. So we can compile this for this platform, and we can use this for our custom development also. A web building software, that is a web-based web building software, and a template stores where the businesses can go and find a template for their needs and they can edit it in our platform. And we'll also be providing component library that could be a payment gateway, customizable payment gateway page, or maybe Google Analytics, and that can be configured in the our editor, and they can directly compile them for their custom development website. We'll be providing a free web editor so that users can go there and edit their website, and they can try it out. And but we will also be providing a premium-based editor. There will be getting shared hosting or project scheduling, versioning, and so that will be our subscription model. And we'll also be providing for transaction charges for premium-based template purchases. And for the future, we'll be providing advertisement, and also be we'll also be providing a platform to hire the freelancers, so that if the business wants to customize their website further, they can hire the freelancer who has developed these templates, so they can hire directly from there. So these are our future scope.
It's time. Judges, for scoring, request you to look on three important factors. One is business model, another is customer validation, other is execution design, which is submitted before you during pitches. The business model should be correct. Is a unique idea, the key value proposition, how do they plan on making the successful business, how they thought about competition, how to scale, acquiring customers and the revenue model, and have they identified a specific market, and how will they acquire their first 100 customers. This is very important when you go for ranks, or when you provide marks for the customer. And customer validation, did the team talk to customers, who will be their users, how are they different, how many users have they interviewed, did they target the correct people to interview, what did they learn from their customer interview, and core needs of the users. These are the important criteria. And execution design, about the MVP, they need a demo of the product, at least a prototype. Any medium is okay, whether a low fidelity or medium or high fidelity, and how functional and technical aspects, and how user can navigate throughout the product, and where they able to incorporate the customer feedback into the solution. These three are very important when you are judging, and you can score them on three aspects: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is minimal expectations, 2 is approaching expectations, 3 is meeting expectations, and 4 is surpassing expectations. Put together, the maximum mark and team can score is 12. So over to judges for questions.
Just to make a point, were you aware of these three criteria on the field to be judged on? Yeah. Were you aware of? Yeah. Have you done justice to your preparations and your presentation? Because I doubt you have covered the three most important things which Ravi has mentioned. So we are missing on your prototype, we are missing on your customer feedbacks, we are missing on your first 100 customers. There are a lot of things which are there.
Actually, yeah, we have been told, but yeah, maybe I don't know the exactly what is the points, what are the exact point will be.
So Ravi, is this clear? Because these things are not covered in his presentation. That's
Saikat, right?
Yes.
Good afternoon and fantastic presentation. So kudos to your team. Just wanted to ask, do you believe that this service is existing in the market or something similar is existing in the market?
Something similar. I mean, they are like WordPress and Shopify. They are the existing player in this market, but their technology is like monolithic CMS system, monolithic CMS based system. So, but nowadays they are moving to a headless CMS system, and for that they do not provide this template kind of thing, so that people can go and edit their software. So, I'm building this technology for headless CMS
So
system.
as a prospect, I should come to your company only if I want a curated template. Will that
More
be a good statement?
another times you can get the customized component. Maybe it could be a payment gateway page, so you want to customize for your business need, and then you can download, compile it and download it for, if you want to build a React project or Vue project, you can download it and use it for your platform.
And have you done any pilot run for the?
I have this prototype, means actually I have this editor. Uh, this was the very first version of this project, means actually this was editor, this was my website actually, and these are the component you can go and edit. So I have this technology, means I can do the editing, but it's very fast.
So I hear you repeat the word headless quite often, and you've mentioned it on your slide as well. So does headless mean that I can just pop into your website, fill in the form, and the website template gets created? Is that how it works?
It is yeah, that's how my system will work. But headless means that there will be some server, they will provide some API, so you can call those API and you get your data. So that is called the headless. But this is how it will work. But what you said, it will work. My editor will work this way.
Very well. Thank you.
Thank you.